Good morning. I'm still up here by Mormon Lake, which is actually right across the road from me. And I'm with my partner in crime, Bruno. Hey, buddy. And we are about 500 feet away from a geocache right now. And we're going looking for it. Bruno, come this way, come on. But I'd just like to show you, the search doesn't tell you in Arizona, even at 7,000 feet, we have this little cluster of cactus here, and there's also a prickly pear I just walked past over there. But we're going this way, and we've got to go another, let's see what this says. Let me see what we got here. 427 feet it says we got to go. And right there. And we're going to head for this, 421 feet. So here we go. I'll get back with you when we find it. This one was pretty darn tricky. And it's right here. I'm betting under this little pile of rocks. And right there it is. And there's just a logbook in here. But this one, there's something heavy in there. Maybe it's wet. I don't know. It looks like it might be wet. I might have to dry it out for them, but there it is. How about that? Had to use GPS on this one. The reason is we're out of phone signal range, so there is no phone out here. You have to know how to use your GPS, learn how, or you don't play. Anyway, I found it. Well, here's number 2 on the day. Sorry about the shadow. I'll move over here a little bit. I'm guessing it's right there, yep. And this one's just going to have a log in it. I'll sign it and go to the next one. We got a whole bunch of them right here along this road. I mean, a bunch of them. And I got my help here. Yeah. So, anyway, I'm going to get my signature on this thing and go for the next one. These are pretty well hidden. Yeah, this feller's pretty clever. All these rocks are put in just so you really just cannot see it. Off we go. That was number 3. Well, me and my little hunting buddy Bruno. Hi, Bruno. These guys facing the AC right now. We did okay today. We scored, I think, 6 geocaches today. And like I always tell you guys that think I'm nuts for doing it, it's fun. It's almost as fun as hunting nuggets, except I really like finding that gold. Yeah, I'll be back to that real soon. I just do both, you know. It's just having something to do all the time is pretty important to me. I get bored pretty easy, and I sure don't want to get hooked on TV or wringing my hands watching the news, worrying about the world about to end, or blah, blah, blah. Life's good, man. I'm going to enjoy it. And I found out this is something enjoyable. So for now, Nugget Shooter and Bruno out.